In this section, I will be showing how to create the SQL Server service user on a Windows Server 2019 that is not part of a domain controller, which is also very similar to creating a user on a Windows 10 or 11 PC using the following steps. Control Panel, System and Security, Administrative Tools, Computer Management, Local Users and Groups, Users. Then on any blank space, just right click and select New User. For the username, we're going to use SQL Admin. Full name and description are optional. The password must be complex, meaning uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters, pound sign, exclamation marks, @ signs, and so forth. Then we're going to uncheck user must change password at next logon. Uncheck user cannot change password, and password never expires. Then we click create and we click close.